A $1,250 Galaxy S23 Ultra. Here's how Samsung can justify that cost. Well, this remains to be seen whether it's truly possible to justify that cost in 2023. It is no price hike, but it's also no price drop. And there's all kinds of considerations relating to inflation and so forth that you maybe could have justified going higher, but I don't think they would have sold it if they did. So some may be speculating, I don't know, you got a soft smartphone marketplace. Do you sit and wait for the market to turn around, or do you pull a Tesla and come in with a price drop initially, just right out the gate and go, you're getting a better deal because we need to get these things into your hands, and we want to keep the volume going, because it's a really fine balance with the assembly line, the supply chain in general, the contracts that exist for the variety of components that go in here. You need to kind of hit your mark in terms of projecting the actual demand and gauging what the marketplace can bear. Otherwise, you end up with components and products that turn into losses, massive losses, if you can't find an audience for it. Even if Samsung holds the line on its pricing of its top-line phone, it'll still cost $100 more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max at a time when shoppers are watching every dollar. So how is the phone maker going to convince people that it's worth spending $1,200 or even more if the rumored price hikes happen on a phone? Well, okay. Obviously, they're going to heavily lean into this 200-megapixel camera. And I think what they're also going to do is have an MSRP at a particular price, but then also do some sort of pre-order deal as they've done in the past, where they may give you some free earbuds, or they may knock a few dollars off if you just get your money in quickly.
Or trade in.
They're going to do something. They're going to try to find a way to subsidize the initial funds to make it seem more attractive than it is, and to use some sort of crafty calculation where it's going to be like, what you're actually paying is, it's like how Tesla did with the gas savings, the projected gas savings, and then they just give you the price, and you're like, wait a second, you're already doing my savings, and that has nothing to do with you. I want to know, how much money are you asking me for? How much money are you asking me for?
I do find that helpful, though. The gas savings.
Okay, sure, but it should be a button that's unchecked by default.
Sure.
And then you check if you care to see it, and it should actually be separate out from the MSRP. It should be on a separate column. Like potential energy savings or what, I don't know, however they want to propose it. But yes, I think this is one area where they have an edge on Apple, is this crazy zoom lens, right? As you can see from their unpacked February 1st thumbnail, it seems that they're showing off their camera lenses. So I think, especially with this new 200 megapixel sensor and how they're going to implement it with the ability to actually shoot a lower resolution image, but actually absorb more light per pixel. Like this, depending again on the tech demo, this could be a compelling reason for people, or a chance for champion status. Maybe it'll be the best smartphone camera out right now. Have to wait and see. Well, does that justify $1,200 plus? For somebody, yes. For everybody, no.